But could it also be a slightly different one, that despite the good intentions of all these tools, that they're not necessarily solving what I would call a real problem?
Take an example of automated vessel stowage planning, around for 20 years. If you deploy that and you think you can load the vessel based on the results without any interference afterwards of a planner, you will fail. But if your approach is, it will do the bulk, it will do 80% of the problem, and then we have the vessel planner afterwards for the remaining 20%, you get a much better result than when he has to spend all his time on the 80%, which is actually relatively dumb work, and he has lack of time to optimize for the remaining 20%. So I don't think the solutions are there yet so sophisticated that they can really take over. Look at car automation. Elon Musk promised us in 2016 that his car would drive from the east to the west coast without any interference. Now we're 2024, he still hasn't achieved it. He promised it every year and it's still not there. I tell you, driving now 12 years at Tesla, if I would have trusted his software, I would not be here. I would be dead and buried a long time ago. That's how bad it is, you could say. But I love it. It takes so much work away from a driver for 95% of the cases. And in 5%, yes, I need to be there to help the automation steer through difficult circumstances. So is it then not working? I would say it's working. But you have to define the right level of expectations. It's not replacing humans. And I think it will take a long time before computers will actually, for difficult problems, replace humans.